Hey YouTube, it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. In today's video, we will be cash stuffing $209. I know that's not a lot, but we're gonna spread that out throughout our variable expenses and our sinking funds. If you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Alright, so as always, I like to count the money just so I know I have the correct amount and you see what we're working with. So I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, 205, 206, 207, 208, and 209. So $209. If you enjoyed this video and watching cash stuffings, please hit the like button. Alright, so we are still going strong with our digital attempt. We're gonna stick to it till the end of the month, like I said. So I like to start off with my envelopes that I carry in my wallet. I always have these with me, which is my gas and my treats. My treats is currently empty. And then for my gas, I have $3 left over. So I'm going to put this over to my $1 challenge since I did get that change back from gas. So we're gonna start off with, I always do gas first, so I'm just gonna put So I'm just gonna do gas first. And for gas, and then for gas, we currently have 0, and we are adding 40. So then we're ending with 40. And this is going to do a 20, a 10, and I think 2 5s. I'm gonna go ahead and split it up. I'm gonna put the 2 5s to the side for tolls and then the 30 for the gas. So that's that, and then here we are. And I'm gonna put that to the side so I can put it in my wallet. Now I'm going to bring out my variable expense wallet, which is my Luna binder. So this is my Luna binder. So the first item is groceries, and in groceries we currently have 20, 40, 50. I'm going to just roll that over because I have to go to the grocery store actually today. So I'm going to do 100 for groceries. So we're starting off with 50 and I am adding 100. So that gives me 150. And this time around, I will be buying toiletries and things of that nature. So I know that I will be using most of that. So I'm going to grab the 220s and then I think I'm gonna do a 10. So 50, 70, 90, 100. And then the 50 that we previously had is 150. Next up is spending. For spending this week, I'm getting $12. So I'm gonna do a 10 and 2 ones. I probably should have started with how much I had in here. So for spending, we currently have 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 50, and I am adding $12. So we have 62. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 62. So next up is family. And family currently has 20, 41, 41. And to family, we're adding $10. I'm just gonna grab a 10. So that is $51. $51. Next up we have beauty, and in beauty we currently have ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7. And we are adding $5. I'm gonna grab a 5. So now we have 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $12. And next up is the kids fun. And in the kids fun, we currently have 5, 6, 7 as well. So in the kids fun, we are adding $6. So we're gonna do a 5 and a 1. And now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Perfect. So next up we have clothes, and in our clothes fund we are not adding anything, but I'm still gonna go ahead and put it down just so I keep track of it. And in our clothes we currently have a $10 bill. So 10, we're not adding anything, and we currently have 10. Next up I have Kenpa. And Kenpa currently has a 2 in here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. 14. Kenpa is getting $5. So now he has 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19. So 19. Gifts, and gifts is getting $1. And gifts currently has $20, $40, $45, $47, $48, $49, $50, $51, $52. So there was 52. Because I just added that 1 before counting it. So I had 52. We added 1. So now we have 53. Wait. 40, 45, 47, 48, 50. All right. So next up we have investing. And investing currently has, let's see guys, I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. So we have 67. And I am adding $5. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. Was 72. And that is our variable expenses. We have a little bit of money left, and we're gonna put that into some of our sinking funds. And this is just a reminder for anyone starting off, because I know when I first started, I struggled with wanting to hit a particular amount of money into my sinking funds each month, and it just wasn't realistic. Your budget changes, things pop up, emergencies pop up, things you didn't expect to pay for come up. Perfect example, my daughter is in school now and they have school pictures. I didn't even think about school pictures, so I had to play around with my budget to allocate money to pay for the pictures for her school, things like that. So just be flexible with your budget and know that if you don't hit the goal for a particular sinking fund, it's okay, especially if it's a sinking fund that is just in case or for extra things like clothes. Yes, you need clothes, but that isn't as crucial as paying the light bill or your phone bill, things of that nature. So just be mindful that you don't need to put X amount each month in order for your sinking funds to grow. You can put a little bit at a time, you can put more some months, you can put less some months, and it'll still eventually grow as you stick to it and continue saving. So that's just my little reminder. So we'll continue. So all right, so this purple binder is my more long-term binder. So in here, these are my long-term sinking funds, the ones that I tend to have longer, that don't have as much movement. So we're starting off with car. And for car, we currently have $100, $200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 310, 315. So we have 315, and we're going to add $15. So I'm gonna do the 10 and the 5. 330, but let's just make sure. So 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 310, 20, 25, and 30. So 330. We have Aria. Aria is getting money, so we're going to count. And this is her good luck. Aria is getting $5 today. So she currently has 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 165, and with the 5 is 170. So she had 165, we gave her 5, and she has 175. No, she has 170. Right? 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So she has 170. Next up is my son's fund, and he currently has, he should have the same amount. It should be 165, but let's make sure. 50, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, and he's getting the last 5, so he now has 170 as well. He has 170 as well, and his $2 bill. And that's it. That sums up my video. If you enjoyed watching, please like and comment down below what you would like to see going forward. I truly do appreciate you all watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you stopping by my channel and watching my process in becoming debt-free. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye. Cash stuffing $209. If that's something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Is it $209 now? Yeah.